Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me. I have an OPEL Insignia with a 2000 CDT 160 horsepower engine. It currently has 170,000 kilometers. I bought this car from second hand a few months ago. But a message has been appearing on the dashboard for some time: low oil pressure, stops the engine. But it only does it for a few seconds and always with the engine cold, although lately I've noticed that it does it more often, but I have checked the oil level and it is correct. Could it be a failure of the oil pressure sensor? Let's see. If you have this vehicle with this engine, my advice is to stop walking and take it to a workshop as soon as possible. I'll explain. This particular engine, especially the 2000 CDT, if it ends in DTJ and DTH, they had a problem with the joint that joins the oil pump with the suction cup, where it absorbs the oil from the crankcase. So that board was called an aspiration board. That joint, over time, because it ends up degrading, it hardens, and when it starts to absorb, it sucks in, because it not only absorbs oil, but also air. Then, when air is inserted, for a few seconds, certain parts would lack lubrication, especially, it would affect the crankshaft bushings, the connecting rod bushings. Of course, since there is more friction because there is a lack of oil, the wear is also greater, so, my advice is to take it to a workshop. The gasket is cheap, it is a rubber gasket, but the problem is that you have to disassemble quite a few parts of the vehicle to access that gasket, and more than anything the cost is labor. But it is preferable to take it as soon as possible, because it can happen that in a moment certain engine fluid and breakdown is going to be very expensive, because these engines are very expensive. Well, here you have this video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.